Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up data validation in Excel. First, select the cell or range where you want to apply the validation. Then, navigate to the Data tab on the ribbon and click Data Validation in the Data Tools group. This opens a dialog box where you can define rules to control what users can enter, improving data accuracy and consistency. Let's explore basic validation rules. In the Data Validation dialog, under the Settings tab, choose whole number or decimal from the Allow dropdown. You can then specify criteria like between, greater than, or less than, and enter your minimum and maximum values. For dates or times, select date or time and define your acceptable range, such as between 7:00 a.m. and 8:00 p.m. For more advanced control, use the List option to create a drop-down menu from a range of cells or a comma-separated list. You can also select Custom and write a formula for unique validation needs, like ensuring a cell contains only unique values. Enhance user experience by adding an input message that appears when a cell is selected and an error alert to display a custom message if invalid data is entered. To efficiently apply rules, copy a cell with validation, then use Paste Special and select Validation to apply only the rules to new cells. If you need to remove validation, select the cells, go to Data Validation, and click Clear All. This ensures your spreadsheets remain clean and accurate. And for more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.